The best part about the infusion jar is you get to have a nice presentation value.
Expert how-tos.
This is how to build your infusion in a porthole infuser. One thing to remember is this has many small parts and fine gaskets to keep everything sealed in and complete. Today we've done a little bit of a strawberry lemon and an orange citrus over here. One thing to remember is you can build any infusion you like. Just make sure that the flavors work out and are what you want. Start with short periods of time. Because this is a pretty narrow infusion jar, you're gonna get a high degree of contact with whatever you're trying to infuse. With these small parts, there's a center screw right here that unlocks both of these pieces of glass on the outside. So lay this down on a flat surface. Comes with its own key right here to unlock the screw. Both screws will come out on your infuser. To build, you'll need to take off one piece of glass. Sometimes the gasket will come out with it. To replace the gasket, just gently line this in the corner to keep everything nice and sealed so you don't leak your syrup all over. The best part about the infusion jar is you get to have a nice presentation value. So if you want to make it nice and pretty, we can just do nice large wheels or half wheels of orange. Fan out your orange peels just like this. We're also going to use some lemon today as well. Once we lay out our citrus, and we have the seal nice and tight here, make sure that you put this with the cone side up, and then we'll put the screw back in. Make sure that both sides are nice and sealed on either side. Once we've built out our syrup, we have a nice presentation on each side. Then you're ready to infuse. So you can take the simple syrup that we've made, fill your porthole infuser, seal, and refrigerate until you need it.